Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be helping you guys fix any sound problems you might be having on Instagram Reels. So let's get right into it. Now, if it's a problem with your own Reels, you might be posting audio that's unavailable or that's been made unavailable in your region. In that case, what you're going to have to do is click on your profile, go into your Reels, locate the reel that doesn't have audio, enter the full view, and somewhere you might see the button or the prompt that says audio unavailable. In my case, I don't, but you can just click on that prompt and that should enable you to switch the song on your reels or the audio on your reels, and it might help you alleviate that issue. Now, if you're not having an issue with your own reels, or if you're having it but it doesn't say audio unavailable, then you're gonna need to try to fix the Instagram app itself. The only way that you can do this, make sure your internet connection is stable first and foremost. Make sure that you go into your account and make sure the data saver is off just in case. Go to your settings menu, go into data and usage, click on data saver and make sure it's off. And if that's off, then you're going to need to go ahead and try either updating the Instagram app or reinstalling it, or even downgrading it if it might be a version issue with the specific version you have. And other than that, what you can also try, you can go into your settings, go into your Instagram app and locate the storage and clear the cache, because the corrupted cache is the most common reason for glitches on apps, on phones in general. And if clearing the cache doesn't work, you can clear the data, which will reset Instagram to its beginning state when you first installed it. However, even then, you can do the same by reinstalling the app if nothing else works. Other than that, you can just go ahead and report the issue to Instagram themselves, and if they locate your issue, they'll be able to fix it and they'll get back to you in 2, 3, maybe 4 days. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.